How to remove aloe vera Aloin? The first thing you need to do is to cut out the edges like the way you see me do. Get your aloe vera plant and then cut out the edges so you'll be able to expose the inner gel a little bit. Look at this yellow part. This is the Aloin that causes itchiness and also dryness. So after you cut out these edges, the next thing you'll be doing is to put it into a bowl of water, glass of water, whatever you want to use. Soak it into this water and leave it for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. So when you leave it for about 30 to 1 hour, all the Aloin gets into the water and the water turns a little bit greenish yellow, and then you take it out and you'll be able to use it, scoop out the gel and use it however you want. Now you might be asking, what is Aloin? Aloin is the yellow beta latex found just under the green skin of the aloe vera leaf. It's the plant neutral defense chemical. Think of it as Aloin's pesticide. What happens if you do not remove this Aloin is that it can burn or sting your skin. It can also cause redness and inflammation. Your skin turns red and angry. It can also cause dryness and tightness. Aloin is a laxative. On skin, it pulls water out. And it can also make pimples worse. It can also irritate and itch the scalp. It can also cause hair breakage. It can make your follicles to be irritated. It can cause yellow staining on your white pillowcases or your braids, and also burning sensation if you add it to your scalp. So that is it, guys. Ensure you remove aloe vera Aloin before you use it for whatever you want to use it for, your hair or for your skin. Thank you so much for watching the video, and don't forget that Auntie Shade reminds us that beauty wey no get care na dust go cover am.